hey, thank you for tuning in to another amazing video. So for today we have a fun game and it's called Plank Kingpin. Now the only items you're going to need for it are 2 water bottles and a bottle cap. I use this off a peanut butter cap. Those are the only 2 items you're going to need for this activity, so don't go anywhere. Alright, so now that you have your items ready to go, with a water bottle, make sure it's empty, there's no water in it, and then the peanut butter cap or any type of cap you have, that's going to be placed on the floor. So now what you're going to do is you are going to be in a plank position. So if you don't know a plank position, you're going to have your hands about feet, shoulder width apart. You're going to lift your legs up, and then we're going to actually stagger our feet, so it's a little bit easier for us to maintain our balance. You're going to put the water bottle in between, and what you're going to do is you're going to slide the peanut butter cap to the other side of your opponent, and you're going to try to knock down their water bottle on their side. Now, if you are able to knock down their water bottle, you get 2 points, and then you guys will just take turns going back and forth. You are allowed to block it, so with one hand planking, you can block it and defend your water bottle, but again, it is difficult because you are in a plank position. So stay tuned and we'll go and demonstrate this activity. Alright, so make sure your peanut butter cap is flipped over. You're in a plank position. Now you can't hover over it like this because you don't want to knock over your own pin. If you knock over your own pin, your opponent gets 1 point, so make sure you don't do that, okay? So, go and stagger your feet. I'm going to go first. I missed. Jordan knocked it over, so I get 1 point anyways. Now he's going to toss it. Nope, other way. So just like ski hockey, throwing out 2 points for that shot. And we're going to continue going back and forth, doing our best. Again, what I recommend is that you plank with one hand, switch, and shoot with the other hand. I would recommend doing both hands, your dominant hand and your non-dominant hand. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Again, I recommend you guys switching arms to defend. You knocked it down, I get 1 point. Oh, close. Watch your mouth. Oh. Oh, free shot. So we hope you really enjoyed that game of Plank Kingpin, and we hope you guys try it yourself. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Until next time, take care.